guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are back with another nail set. We're basically doing a classy, simple V French tip nail set. We're going to start by doing some nail prep. We're going to push back the cuticles. Then I'm taking my cuticle drill bit. This is the circular drill bit, and I'm just going to work that around the cuticle area. This is going to lift all that dead skin off of the nail plate, and it'll make it easier for me to trim off all that excess dead skin. Now I'm going in with my nail clippers, and I'm just going to clip off my excess nail growth. And then I'm going to smooth that out with my hand file. And I'm taking my sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nails. And then I'm going to be using these not polished nail tips and gluing those on with some KDS glue. And then I'm going to be cutting down the nail tips to the length I like. I kind of made these nails a little bit short, which I don't really like doing short nails because I just feel like there's one length that just looks so awkward on me, and I think it's this length. I just don't like the way it looks on me for some reason, but I understand everyone, people don't always do medium to long nails, you know what I mean? I don't know what y'all think this nail set, the length of this nail set is, but to me this is pretty short. After I get all the nail tips situated, I'm going in with my Mia Secret primer and dehydrator. And then I'm going to be going in with some base coat and putting a layer of base coat on all of the nails. Now I'm taking this Makartt Nude Polygel. It's called Puppy Love. It's from the Valentine's Day collection. I can't really remember what that collection's called, but it'll be in the description. We're just going to be placing this long bead of polygel starting at the cuticle area, and then we're just going to kind of shape it into a V shape. This is going to be the nude part of our V French tip. There's a couple ways you can make V French tip, but I decided to do it I don't know if it would be the traditional way, but just making the V French tip with the nude color and then going in with white polygel. The other way you can do it is just make the nail fully nude and then paint on the white, the white part of the nail with a nail art brush, which I feel I wish I did because I never did that before, and I wish I tried it because these nails, I'm gonna be honest, I feel these nails were not my best work. We're just going to be doing it the regular way using the nude polygel and the white polygel. I would recommend just trying to paint on the white part of the nail because I feel that would be a little bit easier, honestly. And also I was using my non-dominant hand to do these nails, so I feel that also kind of added to me feeling this wasn't perfect application. I haven't used my non-dominant hand in so long. So after all the nude polygel is applied, I'm just going to wipe off that sticky layer. And also on the ring finger, I just did a full nail of the nude, and it looks kind of weird because I accidentally made it into the V shape. But then I remembered that I wanted the nail to be a full nude nail. Anyway, so it kind of looks weird, but I fix it when I shape it. After we wipe off that sticky layer from the nails, we're gonna go ahead and like clean up the V shape for the nude part, because when we're adding the white polygel and then we shape all of it, the nude part has to be like a perfect triangular V shape. So yeah, I try to shape them up as best I could, and then I go in with the white polygel. This is just a random Makartt white polygel, and yeah, I'm just gonna be filling in all the empty area. And here are how the nails look after all the polygel has been applied. Now I'm going to go ahead and reshape these nails. We're going to file off like the excess white polygel that kind of overlapped the nude part of the area. That's why I'm using my sanding band to make it a little bit easier. And then I'm going to go ahead and like reshape like the edges of the nails to make it nice and crisp. Next, we're just going to go in with some top coat, and I'm going to be adding top coat to this ring fingernail because I'm going to be doing some stamping. So I have the stamping plate. I'm just going to be using my Born Pretty white color stamping polish, and I'm going to be using this flower design. I just thought it would look really cute on that ring fingernail. I applied that, and then I cleaned up around the edges, and now we're going to go in with some top coat and top coat all these nails. This video is basically just a simple V French tip. Honestly, I would recommend trying the gel polish method of doing the V French tip because I feel like it would be a little bit easier. After the top coat, we're going in with some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a fun little nail set to do. All the polygel I use in this video will be linked in the description. Let me know what other videos you guys would want to see, like any general nail design you want to see. I'm really happy to be posting consistently. It makes me feel so much better. I don't know, I just feel better. I feel good now. I don't feel stressed all the time like I did before. If you watched my first video back from that long break, like I explained it, but I feel so much better now that I'm posting, and yeah, I just feel good. I just feel good about every day now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!